If you're still typing your passwords and verification codes manually on your iPhone, you're wasting time. There's one setting you should turn on that can make signing in, creating accounts, and entering verification codes much faster. Open the Settings app, then tap General, then Autofill and Passwords. At the top, make sure Autofill Passwords and Passkeys is turned on. This allows your iPhone to automatically suggest saved passwords, passkeys, and verification codes when you're signing in to apps and websites. If you use Google Password Manager as well as Apple's Passwords app, you can also keep autofill from passwords and Google turned on, so you can access passwords from both services when needed. Next, make sure Suggest Strong Passwords is enabled. When you create a new account or change a password in Safari or supported apps, your iPhone can automatically suggest a unique, strong password instead of making you come up with one yourself. Then there's verification codes. I recommend turning on Delete after use. Once your iPhone detects that you've already used a verification code from messages or mail, it can automatically remove the old code, keeping your inboxes cleaner. And finally, check Setup Codes in Passwords. When this is enabled, your iPhone can use links and QR codes to help set up verification codes for your accounts directly in the Passwords app. Once everything is enabled, signing in becomes much easier. It's one of those small iPhone settings that you set up once, and then it quietly saves you time every single day. So, if you haven't checked these settings yet, go ahead and turn them on. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more useful iPhone tips, and share this with your family and friends who use an iPhone.